What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? So, about a month ago, I had an idea. What if I made a virtual machine, installed a fuck ton of viruses on it, and then tried having a scammer fix it? And I honestly thought that that was a good idea. And then I remembered that this idea has been done over 100 times, and there was another problem. It costs like $200 for a copy of Windows, and like, that's just not worth it.
You know you can get the trial version for free, right?
No, I did not, but now that that problem was solved, it was on to the next thing, which was... So while the scammer was explaining to me how my computer was broken, I thought it'd be really funny if a virus just started destroying my computer out of nowhere. So I coded a little program that basically checks a web page, and when it sees a 1 on that web page, it starts all the viruses. I could control that web page from my computer, so I could start the virus discreetly without the scammer catching on. And now that that was all set up, the only thing left to do was...
Thank you for calling technical support. My name is Peter. How may I help you?
Hi, I got a pop-up on my screen that says access to this PC has been blocked because of security reasons.
Just hold on a moment.
Okay.
Don't touch your computer, now you're connected.
Okay, fair warning. I think I might have gone just a little bit too far with this next part. Thank you so much, by the way. This is like the only computer I can afford, you know, me and my family, we can't really afford anything, so if this computer goes, I'm ruined, you know, me and my family are literally ruined.
Do not need to worry, sir, I will fix the problem, okay?
Okay, thank you. So after messing with him for a couple of minutes, it was at about this point where I realized I had a problem. I think he stopped my Python program, which ran the viruses, so I have been... And after some good old convincing, I was home free.
Is there anything else I can help you today?
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to stop scamming people. You know this is a virtual box at this point. I'm gonna need you to just like stop doing that, my guy. Yeah, I saw you disable my Python programs and everything. I'm just gonna need you to stop doing this, alright? He disabled the f***ing Well, that didn't go too well. But it's okay because I had another idea. After a very constructive call with my friend Mike, we came up with another way for me to start the viruses remotely. I would SSH into the virtual box instead of making a Python program do it all for me. That way I could start the viruses by just executing a command. Yeah, this was gonna work.
Thank you for calling support this side Austin. How may I assist you today?
Hi there, I got a pop-up on my screen that says, like, access to this PC has been blocked for security reasons or something.
No problem, sir. I'll surely help you out. Can you please tell me your first and the last name?
Yeah, sure. My name is, Michael Romgartner.
Okay. And sir, this is the first time you are facing these kind of problem?
It's like a brand new computer. Like, I haven't even entered the Windows activation code yet. It's literally brand new.
Okay, no problem, sir. Because it's not the problem of your device, it's a problem of your internet, okay?
Okay.
Like someone is trying to get access in your personal information, that's why you received that notification, okay?
Yeah, it says something about Trojan spyware. Yeah.
Yeah, so someone is trying to get access in your personal information. That's why you received that notification, okay?
Okay, so just how do I fix it?
Now just do one thing.
Yeah.
Just follow some steps and I'm gonna connect you with my secure server. Then we will check what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, hold it down Windows key and press the letter R. R is in root. Both
Okay.
at the same time.
Okay, something, what is that? Run. Type the name of a program,
Right.
folder, document, or internet resource, and
Right.
Windows will open it for you. And then it says open, and then it has a text box with an arrow, and then it has 3 buttons, OK, cancel, and browse.
Right. Now you have to
Is that
type
the spyware?
It's empty, right?
Yeah, it's empty. That's not the spyware, right?
Sir, I'm gonna connect you with my secure server. Then we will check, okay?
Okay.
Because I'm a technician, I'm not a magician, right?
Right.
So now type there I as in eyes,
I.
then E as in Edward,
Okay.
then X as in X-ray.
Shoot, I typed the C. I dragged on typing in the name TeamViewer for like 5 minutes. If you don't believe me, here's proof.
V as in Victor.
B as in Victor. If you want to see the full uncensored version of this call, go check out my Patreon because I'll have it posted there. Anyway, I'm not gonna lie, I was on some pretty, you know, weird websites when this pop-up came up. I'm just gonna be honest.
Okay, you're watching right?
Maybe. It's like weird though, just please don't judge me.
Sir, can you please tell me like what exactly you see on your computer screen right now?
I accept the Eula and the Depa.
Now do you see a cursor moving?
No.
You don't see cursor moving?
I don't. I mean, I can move it, but I don't see
Okay.
you moving my cursor.
Okay. You are searching Sexy Fury. Okay,
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Please don't judge me.
Okay, no problem, sir. Now, let me check.
Is everything okay with my computer?
Yes, sir, I'm gonna help you out. You don't have to worry about it, okay?
Okay.
I'm running a scan. They're gonna detect each and everything what's going wrong.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I made my name Lizard Boy. Isn't that kind of funny? I just want to use my computer for gaming, you know? It's not... You're gonna fix it, right?
Right, just be online, don't mind my silence, okay?
Got it. Yeah, okay, I won't.
Okay, so you know what?
What?
Hit on any wrong advertisement, that's why you are facing this problem, okay?
Okay, before I launch the viruses, if you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, it really helps out the channel, and it lets me know that you guys like this type of content, so I'll be sure to make more of it. Okay, with that out of the way, let's launch these viruses in 5, 4, 3, 2...
So click on anywhere, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
gonna help you out.
What's going on?
Don't worry about it.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with my computer? Did you do this? What's going on?
Sure, just wait.
Wait, what happened to my computer? Is this the spyware? Wait, we have to...
Just wait.
Okay, I won't move my cursor. I believe in you. Your computer has been f***ed by the MEMZ Trojan. Austin, what do we do? This is just a spyware, right? This is all fake, right? Austin?
Just wait, sir.
Yeah, okay. It's gonna be okay, right? This was a free session sponsored by TeamViewer.com. Did you leave? Austin, you can't just leave my computer like this. Oh my god. No! Oh, that was hilarious. Alright, well... Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end the video there. I'm gonna do this again though, so don't worry. I'm gonna get them next time. Before I go though, I just want to say a couple of things. First of all, I apologize for not uploading for a couple of months. I can't really get into details as to what happened, but some pretty heavy stuff happened in my life. I need some time away from YouTube and social media in general. That's why I haven't really been posting on TikTok either. But I've gotten through it. And I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna start posting a lot more often. I have a light semester coming up, so I'll have a lot more time to dedicate to YouTube. Yeah, I just want to say I'm coming back. You know, don't give up. I'm back. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Check out the Discord, check out my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I don't... If I include this in the f***ing, like, bloopers that I do at the end of the video, this is the 5th time I'm recording this f***ing shot. I want to die.
Oh, oh dear Lord.
I just recorded that! I just fucking recorded that! I don't know. Regardless.
I farted and it stank.
Alright, and Dan's not being in the video.